Hey guys, welcome to another video by PDX Restoration Group. I'm Chris and I'm here to walk you through a master bathroom remodel. I wanted to start showing you what a demolition looks like. It can be very emotional, it can be very messy, so I figured it would help you if you see it and you can prepare for it. We typically take everything off the walls. All the surfaces go down to the studs. When we say down to the studs, it looks like this. We expose the framing of the house. We see what your installation looks like. We see the pipes. In this case, for example, the previous contractor screwed the backer board through the metal plate into the water pipe, and it has been like this for over 15 years. When we took it apart, it was a huge water leak. So the forces of the universe must have been on our client's side, because this could have ruptured at any point, right? And so we look at the plumbing, we look at the electrical, we look if it's safe and code compliant. If it is not, we bring it up to date for you before we put it back together. Okay, so having this covered, I want to go with you over the scope of work, just so you know what we will be covering in this video. For this bathroom, it was a beautiful bathroom as it was, but it had a deck tub, a jacuzzi tub. Our client decided to update it and go to a standalone soaking tub, so you'll see that coming. We are redoing the tile. It was beautiful tile, but it was outdated, so we hired one of our designers to work and improve the feeling and the look and the lighting, complement all the lighting daylight we have coming in. Then we're also refinishing the cabinet. We're changing the color to a white or an off-white and replacing the countertops. We will show you what's involved, some of the things to look for, and we also had carpet in the closet. A lot of homes here in Cedar Hills or Cedar Mill have the master closet as part of the master bathroom, but for some reason the builders decided to carpet the closets, and a carpet in a high moisture environment just does not do well. So for this project, we will continue the tile work from the shower to the bathroom area into the closet, and we will also have heated floors underneath. And so as you walk out of the shower, you can come into the closet, change, get ready, and be good to go. And so we'll walk you through it. I'd like you to see what all the aspects that are involved, and if you have questions, if you're curious about what this would look like in your home, reach out. I'll be more than happy to walk you through it. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for our next episode. This is Chris with PDX Restorations, and remember, we're here to take the guesswork out of your remodeling project.